Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand DD motor 8 by 5, that's been 8 kilo washer and 5 dryer machine. This machine having problem. This is all display panel, it is touch, but at the moment this machine not working. Actually we can power on, switch in on, and whatever we can select, but any other extra options are not working. Because of that we have to repair this machine. Also I have in more than 5-6 machines the same problem. I will show you how to repair this one and we will go to the next step. Now you can see here the same panel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more than 8, 9 machine with me. I have to repair all the machines. Now I will show you this machine. I can power on. I already switch in on. Now whatever I can select all the options. After that I can start pause also, because these two buttons are press button, but this all touch. I will show you this. If we need dry cycle, we have to select manually here. After washing, it will go for the dry option. You can see here, dear friends, it's not touching. This all the button are having problem, but this one is working, but this one not working, and this one also working, but which is we need dry option, that one not touching. Because of that this all the panels having same issue. That's been this touch not working. So many machines at the moment, actually more than 10-15 machine I have to repair the same thing. This one we remove from the panel. This is the problem. This conduction fabric, that is already gone because of the humidity. It's most probably humidity only it's happening. This one now we have to repair. If we are going to buy from the company, it is each one it will come around 50-55 dirhams. Because of that it is lot of money we have to replace. It is coming one panel, one board coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fabric, otherwise gasket we have to buy from the company. That's when we have to spend lot of money. This while we are going to buy from the company, it is with the panel, it will come 550 dirhams here in UAE. Because of that I have to do some solution. That much money our customer not expecting to spend. Because of that now I'm going to do some modification. That's mean I have to do some solution. I will show you how to do that. Now I will keep one side all the panels. And now we will open this one first. After that I will show you how to repair this one. Remove the detergent drawer here. While pressing this one, it will come out. After that we have to remove here 2 screws. Now back of the top cover having 2 screws here. Here also 1 screw. Now we can take the top cover out. So like that will come. After that we have to remove here 2 screws. Now you can see here, we can take it out. And also here we have to remove this one also while pressing here. We can take it out. We can release the harness here. It's like that. Now we can take it out. Now I will remove this. Now again I will keep the top cover here. Now I am going to remove this control board from the panel. I have to remove all the screws are here. This happening actually because of the humidity only. So most probably why a customer keeping inside the washroom, it's happening like that because of the humidity. Now you can see here, this one I already removed. You can see here, dear friends, this color, this is actually it is okay, but this one already gone. Also this one also gone, this one also gone. Because of that only this panel not working, because customer need actually the dry option. He need to activate, but unfortunately he is not able to activate because this lubricant conduction fabric already gone. Otherwise this gasket we are calling, it is already gone. Because of that, while we are going to buy from the company, it is very expensive. Because of that, what I did, now I remove all this damaged one. See, you can see. Also this one also damaged. Now I order already online this lubricant, the conduction fabric. You can see here. This is actually, it is big. The same measurement we are not able to find out. Because of that, I already 200 pieces I already order. You can see. What I'm going to do now, I have to cut this one same size. After that we can here we can stick here. After that our problem will get resolved. Now what we have to do, we have to clean this point here properly. After that we can install this one. After that our problem will get resolved. Now I'm going to clean this one first. Here this glue we have to remove here. Look like this one, no problem. This 1, 2, 3, 4, no problem. But this one having problem here. I already remove. Now I have to clean properly here. It should conduct actually, otherwise it's not working. We have to clean properly. That one okay. Also here this one. Now it's enough now. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to use this one. Here this part I'm going to use. Now I have to cut here the same size. You can see it is very big here. If I'm cutting this one 2, here I will cut here. Also it is this side also I have to cut. Now it is enough. Now you can see here I can use this one. Yes, it is okay. Now I have to cut another one also. I will cut this one here. I will remove here. That one also I can use. Here I will fix. Also this one also gone, actually it is filled down. I will remove this one also. Yes, enough. Now I have to cut another one. Yes, it is okay. Now I can fix for the panel. Now it's okay. Now I will fix for the panel. Now it will come like that. Now I have to fix all the screws. Now okay. Now we will give the power connection and we will check. Now I'm going to give a power connection here. Now I will give the power. Now I already give a I already gave a power connection. Now I will select here. Now we can check. You can see, dear friends, it is all the buttons are working now. No any problem. Now for example, I will go for the dry. You can see here. While we are selecting dry option, we can whatever we can select. This is without dry. Now dry. Also now I will check the test mode also here. You can see all the everything are working, no any issue. Now this is the way how to use this conduction fabric. You can order from online, and after that whatever as per you require you can use. Now I have to repair this all the buttons, all the control board panel. Here I have to fix all the same problem, same, it's not working. All I have to repair now. If you are going to buy from the company, it is very expensive because of that. Now you can see all I have to repair. Now you know how to replace this conduction fabric, otherwise gasket, it is not working touch. This is the way. Now I have to refix panel after repairing all the front panel. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.